In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a new drive or a new partition on your Windows. So let's get started. Right click at the start button and here you have the open file explorer. So currently I have only two drives in my Windows, the Windows C drive as to where my operating system has been installed and this Google E drive. So I want to create a new drive from here and we are going to get it from the Windows C drive space. So make sure to back up everything on your Windows C drive. Then make a right click on this PC option in the left pane and here you have to select the option show more options and then here you have to select manage. Now, once you open Manage or click Manage, the computer management window will appear from here. Simply click on Disk Management. Now, here you can find your Windows C drive and all the drives on your Windows. So, what you can do is we need to make a right click on the Windows C drive, and here we can find this option Shrink Volume. Click on that. Now, this is querying shrink space. So, here you have to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So, I want to have a 10 gigabyte new drive. So 10 gigabyte, that is around 10,000 MB. So here we just need to simply type 10,000, okay, and click on shrink. And here we have created this 9.77 gigabytes unallocated space, which is almost 10 gigabytes. So here in this unallocated space, we just have to make a right click and then select new simple volume. Click on next button to continue. Do not make any changes from here. Just simply click on the next button. You can assign the drive letter from here. So click on this drop down arrow and choose the drive letter that you want. And then click on next. File system, that should be NTFS. Allocation unit size, that should be by default. Volume label, you can simply change this to anything. Do not forget to check this option, perform a quick format, and click on next. Click on finish. And now we have already created a new drive or a new partition on our Windows, which is the new volume D drive. And if I'm going to go back to the Windows C drive, I mean like to the File Explorer window, I have now three drives in my Windows: the Windows C drive, the new Volume D drive, and the Google E drive. So that's it. That's how you can easily create a new partition or a new drive on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.